Welcome back to the Lone Ranger radio show. My name is Bruce Woodburn. They call me the Lone Ranger because my job is to help you arrange your loan. I'll show you how to get the best loan, the best interest rate, the lowest possible closing cost, and I'll even help you on how to negotiate your real estate transaction. I'm not a licensed real estate agent, so I'm not going to negotiate for you, but I can tell you what I do when it comes to getting the best possible deal on my real estate. And I'm buying real estate every day out there. I'm looking at more and more properties, and I'm in the market. I'm in the market, you guys, because I believe that our industry, our market, our area is so undervalued right now. I mean, a lot of you don't think so because you've seen it explode in value, but it's got a long way to go. I mean, it's not going to be anything. Talk to your friends in Austin and Houston and San Antonio. They're similar cities to us. Okay, ask them what the median price is. They're $500,000-$600,000 every day. You're going to be there within 5 years. So why not get in the game and make the money? So you just think about that. If you could go out and buy 5 properties, and each property in the next 5 years makes you $300,000 each, you got $800,000 there. You know, you're sitting on a pile of money, maybe more, maybe $1 million. And you got to think about this, guys. What are you going to retire on? Is old Uncle Joe going to make sure your Social Security's still there for you? I mean, he's doing such a great job on the economy right now. I mean, you got to be happy with the way the economy is right now because, Sleepy Joe there, I think he's got it all under control. Doesn't he? Or does he? Because I'm not sure if he's even... is he waking up on the same side of the bed as we are? Because I look at that and I go, well, gas prices, I was paying about $2.15 a gallon when Trump was in office. My eggs and my bacon were a whole lot cheaper. I'm telling you, I don't see anything that I could look back and go, wow, what a great decision it was to put this guy in office. And then look at his sidekicks over there. Holy moly. Is that a train wreck or what? And listen, I don't get caught up in all the propaganda, but I can tell you this much. This guy is not doing a great job. We got to get him the heck out of Dodge. And maybe it's going to take another president to take over, even the best president we could get to take over. It's going to take them a whole term just to probably fix the mess that he's got us in. And it's because it's ugly and it's going to get worse. It's going to get worse. All right. So we talk a little bit about that. Let's talk about what goes on with your house and what folks I'm finding are doing right now. First of all, are you guys finding that like insurance rates are like out of control right now? So what I do for my clients is I will shop your insurance for you. I got some really good companies that I really like and trust, and we'll shop it for you, give you some names of some companies to talk to, but you got to shop your insurance every year. But these insurance companies, people think it's the insurance companies that are gouging you. It's not the insurance companies. The insurance companies are getting it up the butt right now from these roof claim companies. So you see these roof claim companies, they're not even roofing companies. What they are is they're really roofing company. They're public adjusters that are posing as roofing companies. So they're just brokering out your roof work. They want to negotiate with your insurance company, and everybody should get a free roof. Well, when everybody gets a free roof, guess what happens? Everybody's homeowners insurance goes up. And that's what they're dealing with right now is they got these frivolous claims. Listen, here's the deal. You're going to need a new roof every 15 to 20 years in Florida. You're going to need a new roof every 15 to 20 years in Florida. Now, if we can all just live with that and budget for that, then that's the way it should be. But you can't go 14 and a half years with your roof, have a hailstorm damage, and claim for a new roof. It sounds good because it's free money, and you may be sitting back going, well, yes, I can, and I'll screw that insurance company because they'll screw me. But then it just becomes this big, everybody's screwing everybody else, right? So, when that happens, there's going to be repercussions. And the repercussions right now is my insurance went up $2,000 in 1 year, $2,000. And I don't have any claims. I don't make claim. The only time I would ever make a homeowner's insurance claim is with catastrophic damage. I had one of my rental properties burst a pipe, cost me about $60,000. I made a claim. Okay. And they still didn't pay everything, but I made a claim on that. So that's what's happening with insurance. Now, let me tell you about solar panels, because I know a lot of you green folks out there are all big into the solar panels. And don't call me up going, I'm not green. Well, I'm not green, but however, I do believe in saving energy. I'm not a fool. I do believe that if we could get off of fossil fuels at some point, probably won't be my lifetime, but at some point, I think that would be great. I think we'll find other means. But this whole thing with solar panels is a nightmare, and those people are like the old-fashioned siding salespeople. So you're getting bought into a concept that you don't know anything about when you buy them. So granted, do I think solar panels will save you money on your power bill? Yes, they will. Do the power companies now want you to, they have to buy it back, but they're going to buy it at a discount, and they're fighting you for that. But forget about all that. Let's just say at this point, solar panels are great. Now let's talk about why I'm not crazy about them. I'm not crazy about them because they're going to cost you between $25,000 and $40,000. By the time you pay off the $40,000, you're probably going to need new solar panels. Are they going to be guaranteed for that? I mean, really, for how long? How long do you think in the brutal sun in Florida on your roof your solar panels are going to last? Honestly. Now, let's forget about that. Let's just say, too far in the future, I don't have to worry about it. Now, what about the fact that your roof is only going to last you 15 to 20 years? What are you going to do with the solar panels when your roof goes? Oh, by the way, write my phone number down. 407-706-3313. 407-706-3313. Write my online application website down. Don't go to any CrossCountry. You guys call me up after you go to the website in Brecksville, Ohio, and wonder why I'm not working on your loan. Don't go there. You go to WeBringYouHome.com. I'm the local representative for CrossCountry Mortgage. Go to my website. Don't just go to CrossCountry.com. Do not do that. Go directly to my website and make your application there. Then you got the loan arranger there to help you. All right, so solar panels. Now your roof lasts you 15 to 20 years. What are you going to do with the solar panels when you need a new roof? Oh, you're going to take them off? You think things might break when you take them off of a roof? Okay, well, maybe then we got to store them somewhere. Where are you going to put them? Where are you going to put those things? Okay, and then who's going to put them back on? Got to call the solar panel company to go put them back on? You think you're going to get some upsales on that one? Yeah, this one, this fitting's a little bit loose over here. I think you need a new panel. You need this. Of course, that's the way it's going to be. Then you got a UCC lien on your property. Oh, yeah? What's a UCC lien? Because the guy that sold me the solar panel said there was no lien on my property. Yeah, there's a lien on the solar panels, but it's a UCC lien. That's a utility lien. So if you sell or refinance, that person has to inherit that new loan that you have. Now, will the solar panels say it'll increase your value? Bumpkiss. It's not going to increase your value by more than a couple of $1,000. That's it. And until everybody has solar panels, it won't be comped into your comparables, because you can't give yourself $40,000 or $30,000 in solar panel value when they can only find a house 3 houses down the street to get your comparables on for your appraisal that don't have them. Then what do? So they don't give the solar panels much value. So until that's going to be years before that changes. So when I say I'm not big on solar panels, it's not that I'm not big on what they do. I'm not big on how you get there. I'm not big at the other stuff that you got to think through before you go putting them on your roof. So if you have questions about that, you give the loan arranger a call. I'll show you how to navigate it and what my opinion. I'll be happy to share my opinion. 407-706-3313. 3313. That's the Lone Ranger. I am here to help you. Let's talk about all of our friends out there that might be in one of the occupations that would fall into hometown heroes, like law enforcement, first responders, veterans, police, nurses, teachers. So I'm going to be teaching a hometown heroes class that I'll be doing on Wednesday the 20th from 6 to 7:30 at Miller's Ale House in Winter Park. That will be again Wednesday, July 20th at 6 to 7:30. $20 a head to get in, or $30 per couple. It will fill up pretty darn quickly. If you want to learn about that program and how we can help you navigate through it, make sure that you know the good, the bad, and the ugly on that as well. Then I'm going to be teaching a construction to perm class for all of the folks that may want to build on their own lot or buy a lot and build your own home. You don't want to use a production builder? That's fine. I can show you how to build a house, and you can just get a custom home builder and you build on your own lot, or buy a lot and include it in the construction loan. Now, if you're a real estate agent and you don't understand construction perms, shame on you. Shame on you. Then you should be in this class. You absolutely need to understand how a construction to perm loan works. What are the products? What are the qualifying criteria? How do I get my equity out of it? Can I use my equity? What does the process look like? What do the draw schedules look like? If you're a builder and you're building between, say, 8 and 50 homes a year, and you're using your own money, or you don't have enough money to build more homes and you've got the capability of it, let me show you how a construction to perm loan can benefit you and your clientele. All you got to do is register at WeBringYouHome.com. You want to see me on the interweb? Go to my YouTube channel at Bruce Woodburn, the Lone Ranger YouTube channel, and subscribe there. Kindly subscribe to my channel. It would make me very happy and moves me up in the rankings a little bit. If you want to listen to me on iHeartRadio, you can check me out there. Of course, you know this channel, something that a lot of folks I meet out there don't realize. So many of you are listening to me right now on AM 580. Do you know that if your car radio has FM HD, you can go to 107.3 FM HD, and you're going to get me further, for all the people on this station, further away and clearer. So if you get FM HD on your radios, most new cars, if your car was built after 2016, it's probably got it on it. I didn't even know mine had it, and I had Andy from Cox Media show me how to get it on there. It was amazing. So, but these are all things that I think can help, and you can listen to me further away. Like, I can even pick this station up in Daytona, and even as far as I've gotten it, even as far as St. Augustine before, when I was on my boat. All right, let's talk about some other things that are going on in the industry right now that might be able to help you make money or save money. What's going on with appraisals? Are appraisals still coming in low? Still coming in a little bit low? Still about 10% of the appraisals across the country are coming in under value, but that's going to help. See, we're starting to shift into more of a buyer-centric market. So we're not in a buyer's market. Don't get me wrong. Don't call me up and go, Bruce, you're nuts. Housing prices are still going up rapidly. We're not in a buyer's market. But we're moving in a direction that is more favorable for buyers. We're not going to see the appreciation of 22%, 23%, 25% per year. It's going to slow down a little bit, but you're still going to get your 10%, maybe your 15%. And that's all I'm counting on. Man, I'm telling you what, you can make a ton of money if market just continues to go up at 3% per year. I mean, you think about it. If you put 3.5% down on an FHA loan, and the house went up 3%, you made an 86% return on your investment in 1 year. 86%. Where are you getting that? You getting that from Amazon, Google, Tesla? I don't see it. That's where the Loan Arranger comes in and helps you understand how to navigate this market. What's the best program for you? How can I make the most money on my house? Okay. What else we got on here? We got FHA limits go up to $420,000. We got conventional loans go to $647. If you owe my Fast Track program and my Cash Plus, you want to know how I'll put you in a program I can show you when you're making an offer on a house that you're as good or better than cash. And if the loan doesn't close, I pay cash for it on the closing date. You want to know about that? It's my Cash Plus program. I'll be back in 5 minutes with more of the Lone Ranger Radio Show. 407-706-3313 or WeBringYouHome.com. That's WeBringYouHome.com. Be back in 5.